Muhammad Amin.
Amin?
Yes.
And your good name?
Riyan.
Okay, Amin, how you prepare the sandwich?
Ma'am, this is egg sandwich. I use boiled egg and the spices I use black pepper and salt, and I put some like cucumber in it. And this is sea kebab sandwich. The ingredients I used are sea kebabs and mixture of ketchup and mayo, and I decorated it with some cucumbers, carrots, and chips. Yeah.
Which one is your favorite, sea kebab or the egg?
Ma'am, sea kebab.
Sea kebab. And who made the sea kebab?
Ma'am, ma'am.
Your mom. Do that.
No, ma'am, it's fine.
It's your idea.